Hello to all you good people at Netcompany.
We've grown by 170 people during the first quarter this year. And out of the 170, 120 people have been onboarded in either April or May, which means they've been onboarded remotely.
I miss you guys, I really miss you. This is a very lonely feeling. I talk to customers every day and they are truly impressed about how we can continue to deliver so much value even not being there physically. You guys are showing character each and every day and I'm proud of you.
Netcompany onboarding all these people, not just in Copenhagen but across many locations.
For that reason we have introduced the Netcompany home delivery service. We deliver the equipment home to all the new employees across the countries.
I feel that I'm pretty well equipped for doing my job.
Let's zoom in on all the great projects Netcompany delivers across the world.
We just spent 2.5 years on designing, building and testing this system, and now we're finally live. Paying out more than 11 billion Danish kroners to more than 1.3 million Danish citizens. And by the way, we're doing this each month. All of this go live was partly done from home due to the COVID-19 regulations, but it did not prevent the team from finishing in style.
We have the first go live here on 15th of May and it's full steam ahead. We have over 100 online training sessions planned.
There's not going to be any European Cup. It's not going to be any Tour de France.
It's going to be the most boring summer for years.
We have a team behind us here, I think that could potentially become European champions.
Welcome to the Netcompany Virtual Cocktail Bar. A few weeks ago we had a virtual cocktail workshop with over 250 participants. It was a great success even though we miss being together.
Hey guys, this is how we have beer together. Today we have a virtual Friday night bar.